Dear students, in this lecture, we shall learn about the rate of growth of profits. Let us get started. Now, in addition to the profit maximization, which is the most desired objective of a firm, the firm might also be interested ये जानने में कि rate of growth of profit क्या है. So, in that case, what we can do is as follows. So, in order to, try to find out the rate of growth of profit function, we need to know about the profit function. So here it is an example, an estimated profit function of a firm. And इसे हमने थोड़ा सा rearrange करके लिखा है. T का cube root था जिसे हमने power की form में 1/3 लिख दिया. Now, in order to bring this T in the base, because it is right now in the part, we take the natural log, because natural log will be cancelled out with this E, and we'll be getting rid of the E thing, and we'll be bringing T down to the base, which will be easily solvable. So now, जैसे आपने देखा हमने natural log को calculate किया है, और once we did that, left hand side remains the same. Natural log of this value is noted as it is, but यहाँ पर natural log of E जो है वो cancel out हो गए, and natural log of E is not to be seen anymore. और हमारे पास ये term अब T base में आ गई. Now, once I take the derivative of it with respect to t, left hand side पे natural log of pi of t का जो derivative है वो as per the rules of differentiation, answer will be this. We have done this before, so you can do it. And on the right hand side, we are applying the power rule, and the answer will be this. इसे हमने जो 1/pi है उसको हमने transfer किया to the other side, because we are in search of the derivative of the profit function, and this pi is not desired at the left hand side. हम उसको right hand side पे shift कर देंगे. So once I do this, now I have the value of the derivative of the profit function, which in other words is the slope of the profit function. Now I am finally interested in the growth rate of the profit function. The formula for which is that I have to take the derivative of the profit function और उसे तकसीम करना पड़ेगा profit के function itself से. So अभी मैंने इसका derivative calculate किया, वो मैंने यहाँ पे noted here, और profit function जो है itself is noted here. This red color is showing that they are cancelable and they are cancelled out. So the remaining expression is this, which shows the growth rate of the profit function. Now इसको हम in numerical form में लाना चाहेंगे so that we could interpret it more properly. आपने देखा कि हमने इसे नोट किया है और assume किया है that time is, if it is allowed to be 8 years if they are passed, we can put the value here. t की जगह आपने देखा हमने 8 लिखा, और simplifying will give us 0.1, which means in percentage terms 10%. So what I can observe is that the profit shall grow at 10% per annum if 8 years are allowed to pass. So in this way, we can calculate the growth rate of profit function, which can be another interesting variable for the entrepreneur to make decisions about the level of production. Thank you.